Hello, this is Renzo Lopez, and this video is to show the app for the assignment number 3, the Android Programming 1. So the assignment was to update the app, firmware app. However, I cannot do it, so I wasn't able to link the background color to the Java code. So what I did was a background activity. This is the main code here. So we have 3 methods. This is the layout here. So I put 3 buttons. Suppose that when you click red, so the background turns to red, and in green and also in blue. And somehow I wanted to attach this to the app, but I wasn't able to. So so in the colors I add these colors, these codes, and yeah, that's pretty much. So I import the view object class. Here I'm declaring the object to these getters methods. I'm setting the object to the color blue as a default, and so this I add on the string. I'm sorry, on the layout here. So this method on click red color. So I hope that it runs. This is emulator. So I'm running it. Okay, apparently it's not running. Okay, stop Virtuos revision 3 is corrupt. Remove and install again using the SDK manager. Okay, so so let's do so we can fix this. Okay. So that is correct. Let's go to default, maybe. If I set up this to just default, maybe it work. Okay, let's try it again. Oh, so I need to crash, so I need to fix this first. Why this app didn't work neither. So the idea is that kind of lacking how to link the layouts to the fragments. That's my big issue. And also another issue that I have is how to apply the methods, because I have the list of of all the methods, but I don't know how to use it. So I would like to know if you can recommend me like an article, a blog, like how to ask when I doing a project. So what method should I do instead of looking all the list from the website developers and then start reading all the methods. That's kind of like my big issue, but so far I'm learning like you need to generate and create your resources to put them in your layouts, and then through the builder, so you can inflate these layouts. But yeah, I hope the next course we'll have more time to get into that. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.